You are welcome back here to my channel. I think some people are asking me a lot of questions about uh, how a lot of questions, and I want to come and explain. That's the main reason I've made this video. Okay, this is in 15 minutes time frame. This is in 15 minutes time frame, and I'm making $850, $60. It even went to $900. Okay, now I think let me go and see the some of the questions here. Now there is one lady here, Billy is so it's quite funny. Okay, now she have a $20 account, and she's been trying the 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15 minute time frame, and is now on a loss of $15. And he said, do something about it, and that is really funny. Okay, but there are a lot of things that goes into trading. That is what I want to say. Okay, a lot of things go into trading. What I am trying to do here is that the indicator is only telling you where the market is going. Is it a bullish or a bearish? Is it going upward or it is coming downward? And in trading, if you are able to predict that, that is all the trick. That is all the thing that you want. If you are able to know or get to see that from here the market is going to go down, then that is your big opportunity. Okay, it's all about making the predictions now. And so that is what this indicator is usually doing. Okay, that is what it is doing. And so if you are having, let's say, a small account, let's say $20, there are a lot of questions that leads to it. If you lose your account, or if you enter a trade, how did you do it? What lot size did you enter? What is the lot size you entered? Is it like this one, 0.2, or you entered a lot size of 0.01, or what is the lot size? Okay, you have to take all those things into consideration. Okay, and then what is your target to? So if someone is having a $200, for instance, I was having a $30 account, and I was able to grow it up to $200 account in 2 weeks. There was one guy who told me he was able to move from $24 to $760. I think I made that one even a video over there. I have had series of people who WhatsApp me and telling me this is the amount they have got out of these videos I'm making here and this strategy. Okay, so within 4 days he moved from 24 to what? 760. That is a huge one. Me, I was able to move $30 to $200 in 2 weeks because I was growing it gradually. I would target like for say $30, I would target say $5 or $4 a day, and I'm gone. And so I did it gradually, and within 2 weeks, I was having $200. Okay, and so I don't know your target. Maybe this guy who moved from 24 to 760, I don't know his target. Maybe he waited, he was looking for a huge amount. And if you are lucky in that one, that is for you. But one thing I want to say is that in trading, the market doesn't move like this. It doesn't go straight upward, come and go, and down and go. No, that is not how it is done. If that is how it is done, then we all would be so, it will be very, very easy. Like it will move, go up, and then comes down, go up, comes down, go up. It doesn't move like that. It always goes like this and comes down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And so when it is coming down to just like that, up, down, up, down, up, very good. That is how it usually moves, and that is how the um, indicator is even showing it here. Okay, you see the black ones. That is what is happening there. So if you enter a trade, let's say you have a $20 and you enter. Now let's check this one for instance. Let's check this one for instance. You see. Now look at this candle. What this candle did. Immediately I entered my trade. This candle was in blue, in green rather. It was in green, so it took me to a loss. And then it came down. Why did I wait? It came down. So if I was having a $20 account or a smaller account and I had entered this amount, this lot size here, and the green candle comes like that, it doesn't mean that the indicator here is wrong. The indicator is telling you that the market is going to go down, so you have to wait. And so if your amount in your account is so low, the probability of you losing it all in this one candle here is very high, because that is how the market moves. It will come, go, before it comes down, and then comes a little up, and then comes down. That is why you have to enter with a very small lot size. If you have a smaller account, you enter with a small lot size, and then you sit back and you study the market, and then you enter, you go down. Now look at this one for instance. This one for instance, the best place to enter a trade was this place. That is where I usually do it. When you wait for the red light to come and this one to cross, so that when you see that from here it has opened its mouth and is going, then you enter a trade and you see that you are winning. But then if you enter like that, this one, and the candle is going up against your trade, it doesn't mean that the indicator is wrong. If you should wait, you see that it will come down. But if your account is so low, you may lose your account. So you have to get to understand the amount of lot size you have to put in every trade. And then here too, you can even set your stop loss or take profit. So you can even set your stop loss at the top there. Okay, at the top here, you can set your stop loss. Let me use these lines. You can do it here, okay? You can do it at the top there. So it depends, even your stop loss and your take profit, it depends on the amount of what? Your amount of money you have in your account. Are you willing to lose this amount? That is how you target it. Okay. And then there was also another question. Another one. The time frame you are trading on, your zoom level, does it depend on the time frame you are trading or the indices you are trading on? Okay. How far do you move your chart to the left? I think you can see it from here. Usually I don't want how far. I don't usually want it so closer to this place, because the indicator will get lost. So I usually bring it just like this, so that I will see what the indicator is going to happen here or up here. Okay, so that is how I think I can answer you with that one. Okay, so if you have it like this, I think it's okay. You see, so that is how it is done. And then your zoom level, does it depend? Actually, what I'm doing here is that I am following the indicator. So what the indicator is telling me is what I do. So if you take it like even this is the last zoom level, and let's go and see what is happening. So if you come to the last zoom level, this is what the indicator is saying. And if you go to the minute one too, it is also happening the same at this place. So it doesn't even matter your zoom level. The only thing is for you to see that the red is crossing and the black is down and is coming downwards. Okay, so that is how I trade. Okay, that is how I do my trading here. Now, you were also saying that because if the strategy is proving to work for over a year now, and I've seen profit in my demo with this strategy, I wonder how long it needs testing in demo. Okay, so the only difference between a demo and a real is fear. That is what I want to say. The only difference between demo and a real account is fear. So if you test these things in your demo account and for a year it has gone into profit, that means that the confidence you take to put a trade in a demo account, you must use the same confidence in trading a real account. And if you do that in a demo and is giving a profit, that definitely proves the strategy correct. And that means that if you take it into your real account, you are going to win the same thing. Okay. So that is exactly. I have been following a lot of YouTube people who are teaching series of a lot of things, and I have been testing most of them, but I come down to see my strategy and I see that wow, my strategy is more better. So you get down to practice with it and study it well. I think for the sake of the people who are new here, let me show the settings here for you to see the demo, for you to see the account. This is it. This is it. The stochastic and then oscillator is what I've been using here. I use the stochastic and then the oscillator, the stochastic oscillator, and then this is how the stochastic oscillator works. You come to the level here, you have the 90, 80, 50, 20, and then 10. Thank you for that. I think this is very simple for you to do. And then you go to the Ichimoku, you have the 9, 26, 52, 2 pixels, and everything is set for you here. Thank you. You go to down, and then you have this here. Okay. So the trick here is that the moment you see the red line and then the black crossing in between the 90 and 80, on top of the 90 and 80, or on 80 or on 90, then it is telling you the market is going to go down. So you have to take a sell entry. That is exactly what I did. So if you are not afraid, you can do that and wait, and you will see the results. And the same thing when it happens down there, okay, like this one, for instance, when it happens here, the red is going down and up like this, and then the black is up, and you see that it's going up. You enter a trade here, and you see that the market will be going up. Thank you. I hope I have been able to answer your questions and absorb your questions. See you in profit, and see you next time, same here once again. Bye-bye.